Got up on the wrong side of the left today, yeah. Crashed the car and I'm gonna be really late. My phone doesn't work cause it's out of range. Looks like just one those kind of a days. You can't kick me down, I'm already on the ground now. You can't cause you couldn't catch me anyhow. Blue skies but the sun isn't coming out now. 2 days like I'm under a heavy cloud. And I feel so alive. I didn't help myself. Don't you realize? I just wanna scream and lose control. Throw my hands up and let it go. Get about everything and run away. Yeah, I just wanna fall and lose myself. One is so hard, it hurts like hell. Forget about everything and run away. Yeah. So I how I'm doing if you wondering. I'm in fight with the world, but I'm winning. Stay there, come closer, it's your own risk. Yeah, you know life can be a bitch.